What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this year I got the God of War Ragnarok controller for Christmas. I've been waiting to do an unboxing ever since I got it, and I unwrapped it. So I wanted to wait for you guys, make a video on it, and get a first-hand experience to see what it looks like. If you guys do enjoy these videos, and again, thank you for 100 subscribers. We are so close to reaching 150 and close to 200. If you guys want to make that possible by the end of this month, that'd be great. But make sure you guys subscribe and like, comment, let me know what you guys think about the controller. I will be having some gameplay and some overview and some button testing of the controller. You guys can check out the timestamps here if you guys want to check those out. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing real quick. All right, so for the unboxing, so again, I did get this for Christmas, and I was really excited when I got this because I kind of had an idea I was gonna get it because I did ask for it. All right, so yeah, so I believe on Amazon it's like roughly like 75 to 80 bucks. It's very limited edition. I know that for a fact because it does say on the box, limited edition, and it's a very cool box design actually. Just take a quick look at that. I'm not a big fan of God of War. I haven't played it, but I've heard gameplay about it, and I've heard people talk about it. Probably it's a good game, but I'm not a big fan of storyline games, so I'm not gonna be very into that. But I really liked it only because of the wolves it has. The colorway is also pretty nice too, and the buttons being black is really cool too. So it was also a unique thing. Okay, so back to the unboxing. Okay, so in the box, I can figure out how to open this up this way. All right, so let's see. So in the box, we get the controller. All right, so take another close look at the controller. It's a navy blue, dark blue type of color. You guys can see there. It looks very nice. I do like the colorway, and I like the black on it, and then the white on here, and then the blue obviously. But yeah, again, the wolf design really stood out to me, and that's the main reason why I wanted it. So on the back of the controller, it says God of War Ragnarok. It looks really cool. If you guys take a closer look. But apart from that, everything's really much the same compared to the other controllers. I can show you guys a comparison real quick of the controllers. So, very similar, nothing different. Again, the designs what really caught my eye, main reason why I bought it. And I will have a link down below. Hopefully they're not sold out at the time of this recording. I know when I got it, it was sold out. So I'm hoping they restocked, hoping you guys would get, a controller like this if you guys really like this controller. If you guys want to hear some button noises or button testing, here it is. So yeah, that's the controller. I will have some gameplay of the controller being used in either in Call of Duty or any other shooter games typically. If you guys did enjoy the video, and if you guys do want more videos like this, I'd appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe for more. Again, we were so close to hitting 150 at the time of this recording, or roughly 200 subscribers. So if you guys would want to make that possible, that'd be a great gift. And make sure you guys like as well the video and comment down below what you guys think about the controller. Let me know if you guys have one or think about getting one. And until then, I'll see you guys later.
Kill confirmed. Hostile UAV in the area. Confirm that one. UAV deployed. Round. Push them back.
That UAV online and orbiting the AO.
Our counter UAV is active. KIA confirmed. Taking the lead. Friendly UAV online. Orbiting the area.
Be advised, UAV is counter UAV is
Enemy UAV overhead. Counter UAV is active. Hostile control in the area. Enemy UAV active. Check fire. Reloading. Took a round. Taking fire. Taking effective fire. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV active. Kill confirmed. We're getting hit hard.
Next right here. Visual on the enemy.
Hostile UAV in the area. KIA confirmed. Mission failed. Return to base.